Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are once again going to create a Disney villain. So this one is Jafar from the movie Aladdin, and I had loads of fun creating this one, especially the beard was loads of fun to do. Well, if you want to know how you can create a Jafar makeup just like this one, please keep watching because I will show you step by step in the coming video. I quickly blocked my eyebrows with a bit of Prosade and powdered them with the neutral set powder by Ben to get rid of the stickiness. And now before I will put any color on my skin, I'm gonna sketch out Jafar's face on mine because he has a very long narrow face, and well, mine isn't, so I'm gonna try to narrow my face as much as I can, and to make it symmetrical I'm just gonna help myself and sketch out what I want to do. So these are just guidelines and they will be gone by the end of the makeup. Now the basic sketch is on there. I'm gonna start out with the skin tone. So this color is way too light. I am well aware of that, but I will darken it up with a few darker colors. So this color is actually called ultralight, and Jafar has kind of a red tone in his makeup. So this color is called neutral, and it is also a magic cake by Ben. I'm going to use it to blend the base color I just put on, the ultralight, to get more into that warm reddish skin tone Jafar has. These colors blend very well, so I always enjoy working with the magic cakes by Ben. Don't want to make it too dark, of course. This color is black brown. I'm gonna use it to block out most of my cheeks, because I want that face to become very narrow. So I do have a complete costume, that's why I'm not gonna bother to color my ears or my neck. I'm just gonna paint what I see. I'm switching to black face paint by Diamond Effects for the eyebrows. So I did put a sketch in. Let's see what of this sketch I can still get back. For the eyes I'm going to use mauve, also a magic cake color by Ben. So there is an outline, obviously. So his eyeliner comes all the way up to the end of the eyebrow, so that is why I have this big eyeliner drawn on my eye. Also put a line under my eye. Now all the colors are on the skin. I do feel like I want a few shadows. I know it is a Disney character and the makeup is very evenly colored. I am putting in a few shadows. So I have the Cool Glam palette by Ben. palette I love to work with. I'm just going to add a few shadows here and there. So I'm kind of jumping all over the place with this makeup today, and I'm sorry about that. I just colored the inside of my lip black to make that angry Jafar mouth. He has a very wide mouth, but I do like to keep my natural features, so if I would want to wear this to a party, I wouldn't have to keep my eyes closed to give those Jafar eyes, or to stop speaking to show you my Jafar mouth. So that is why I do keep everything where it is and the size it is. So I'm still with the Cool Glam palette. This is the lightest color in there. I'm just going to highlight a few bits of this makeup to make those parts stick out a bit more than the others. So one of those parts are the cheekbones. Of course, we have the nose just under the eyebrow would be nice. Now I'm fairly happy with the coloring on my skin. I think it's time for some contacts, and I checked the reference pictures of Jafar and he doesn't have any color on his eye, so that is why I'm gonna pop in some black ones. So I'm always kind of scared to mess up the makeup with contacts. That is why I have a Q-tip for any tears that might appear. And there are the lenses. Time to quickly put on my costume. And there is my costume. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I will zoom out for the end of this video so you can see what it looks like. But before I have to fix the beard, because Jafar has that very distinct curly beard, and I thought that I would just make that with a piece of paper and glue it to my chin. So I just cut out the shape, painted it black with black face paint, and now with a little bit of liquid latex I will apply it to my chin. As I have been using Ben Nye products for the entire makeup, I will use Ben Nye latex for this bit as well. So I will just put a little bit of it on my chin. And there it is. So I will quickly zoom out just a little bit, so you can see a bit more of this lovely costume, which I will find an excuse for to wear again in the future. But with that, my Jafar makeup for today is done. So this one was pretty easy, just a bit of water-based face paints, paper, and a tiny little bit of liquid latex. But it is loads of fun to create. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos. We have a new video every day till Halloween, so definitely stay tuned.